Hello guys, it's your guy Viera. Welcome back to the Rocket Series Academy with VMS Project 15. In this project, we are going to be designing the F part of the Rocket Series. Firstly, we are going to design the external portion of the part, making sure that we look at detail A. As you notice, detail A contains the measured diameter of the thread corresponding to 0.666 inches and the groove diameter of 0.26 inch. Two chamfers of 0.035 inch. Without wasting more time, let's dive into this project. File, new, part, unit, inches, sketch, front plane, line command, .3 inch, line command, the thread measure diameter, the groove, straight, upward, smart dimension, this diameter 0.415 from this point to the origin, diameter 0.315, the upper point 0.475, diameter 0.5 divided by 2, the thread measure diameter 0.366 divided by 2, the groove diameter 0.602 divided by 2. As you notice, the sketch is not fully defined, so we have to add some dimensions. The length 0.2 from this point to the origin, 0.3, this point back to the origin, 0.460, considering this point back to the origin, 0.5 inch. This point back to origin, 0.935. At the end of the groove, back to origin, 1.0 inch. At this time in point, the sketch is fully defined. Fillet command, we got fillet of 0.02 at this point and this point. Go for the green check. Stop command, stop sketch. With sketch 1 selected, feature, revolve base, axis of revolution, select quantum, go for the green check. The external portion of the part has been designed. Looking at the internal portions, we got an internal thread. Firstly, we are going to drill a hole of diameter 0.314 with an extrusion of 0.6, making sure that the hole should be at an angle of 140 degree. Secondly, we are going to tap the hole using this specification. Measure diameter of the tap is 3/8 and the tap per inch is 16. Then we are going to add the fillet and the chamfer. Hole wizard, simple hole selected, inches, or drill size, making sure size half should be selected, custom size activated, hole diameter 0.314, angle 140 degree, end condition 0.6. Position, select the surface and select the origin. Go for the green check. For tapping operation, hole wizard, thread location, end condition 0.35, specification inch tap, size we are looking for 3/8 16. 3/8 is about 0.375, so 0.375 16. This should be selected. Go for the green check. As you notice, we got a cut out of the thread around this part. Edit thread, offset activated, offset of 0.3 inch, reverse offset. In order to compensate for the offset, we're going to add plus 0.3 to the end condition and go for the green check. It's beautifully done. Chamfer 0.035 at an angle of 45 degrees. Full preview selected. Select the surface. Go for the green check. Fillet command. Radius 0.016 inch. Full preview selected. Go for the green check. Equally, we got some threads over here. However, we are going to insert this thread when we are dealing with the CAM programming. With this, we are done with VMS project 15. If you have any question regarding this project, do well to contact us by Facebook or by email, or even leaving a comment in the commenting box. In the next tutorial, we are going to be generating the M&G code required for VMS project 15. Keep liking the video, keep sharing, keep commenting. Thanks a lot guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.